Hi, my name is Caitlin Choi and I go to Jericho Middle School, and today I'm in Queens for the American Debate League tournament.
It would be harder for school officials to conduct searches, resulting in a decrease in searches. We disagree!
So I feel like our first round we did pretty good. Our second round we definitely excelled, probably because a lot of us were a bit more biased towards the con side, so maybe that may have influenced the way we spoke.
I'm the father of my daughter, Hita Takal. She became such a good speaker that she was invited in United Nations.
We're definitely nervous, of course, like going into a room and just speaking to random people, but then we're confident in the work that we did and hopefully it shows.
Today we're debating about probable cause and reasonable suspicion. And to prepare for this debate, we've gone to classes and we've studied really hard.
This topic I feel is more relatable to the students because it does have to deal with schools even if they're not in high school yet.
It would be harder for school officials to conduct searches, resulting in a decrease in searches. By saying that even if searches went down, this would not hinder safety. We disagree.
I'm kind of here because I feel like debating gives me an upper hand in things like high schools because it's an extracurricular activity.
We as a family feel that it's a wonderful opportunity for kids to really shine and to reach goals and to learn. It's just a great opportunity.